Good afternoon. Actually, it's good morning, sliding into afternoon. Nana here with Teach Me Nana, right?
Teach Me Nana.
That's right.
Yeah.
Teach Me Nana.
Tomorrow we're going to somewhere special.
Okay, we can't come all our secrets, all right? But today we're going to give you another alternative to Sending Good Thoughts Paper Pumpkin, the July Paper Pumpkin Kit.
Yeah.
And I got Sophia here with me. So not only are we going to do Teach Me Nana, but you later want to do a Teach Me Sophia.
Yeah.
So there you go. So with that, we're going to go.
Sophia's are really fun.
Okay. So we're going to go down. We're going to go down to the hands now, and we're going to show you the alternative that we're going to be creating. Okay. All right. So these are some of the ones we've already created.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are ones we've already created that came when the kit came out. And we've already made some alternatives.
Yep.
So here's what we've got already. And we don't have the other alternative we did last week, but that's okay. We'll get it out to you by the end of the month, or you watched last week.
Yeah, if you are new to our channel, you have to watch one of our channels if you see one on the basic YouTube.
All right. Well, let's show them what we're going to do today.
And then you must watch this.
All right. So we've already picked out some things we're going to work with, right?
Yep.
And we're going to use this right here. This is actually in the kit. And we're going to size it down, okay? We're going to size it down. And we have a paper cutter here. Or if you got some long scissors, right? You could do it with some long scissors. Yeah. So we're just going to cut this down.
You can just watch this video. You don't have to do cards with us. You can
they could, right? Because if they can't watch us live, they can just do it from the cards, right? So I'm just going to cut this down to 4 inches, all right? And what we're going to do, let's see how it looks. It's going to come, well, it's still a little wider than I want it, so I'm going to do it, because I wanted to tilt it just a little bit. Because if you look at the back of the instructions for the kit, they actually give you an alternative. So we're going to try to duplicate this alternative just to show you that it can be done.
Yep.
All right? So we could leave it this big, but I'd like it just a little bit smaller.
If you're a little kid and you want to cut stuff, ask a grown-up to help you.
Oh, that's very true. That's very true. That's so smart of you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we use a paper trimmer here, and we're going to put it down right here.
I'm 5 years old, and my mom lets me handle the scissors all by myself.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I even handle scissors at school.
Well, there you go. That's always important. So for art timing, right? You use it at art timing scissors.
And I also got a hero cape from my school.
Oh. Well, you're going
to.
Yep. So we're just going to put this on here. I used some adhesive, right? And we picked out some seaweed here. Seaweed.
I love me some seaweed.
She likes her some seaweed. So we're just going to flip this over.
But I don't like it to eat.
You don't like it to eat. Well, so we're going to flip this over so it's white, right?
Yes.
Okay, and we're just going to use a glue dot to put this down. I know you know how to use glue dots.
Yep.
So you're going to put a glue dot here?
No, you do it.
I can do the glue dots?
I can't get the paper off.
Girl, you used to line these up on your fingers.
I know. And your fingers.
Yeah, my fingers. Yes. And if you're now you saying you can't get the paper off. Wow. See what happens?
Yep.
Man.
And
give you a little time. What else are you going to tell us?
Also our little friend, Aunt Jennifer here, and she's my aunt.
Oh. Okay, and we're going to actually take the red here, and we're going to actually put the red on here as well, too. And we're going to use the dots. Are you going to help me with some dots?
What can we use then?
Well, we can use this. You want to put it on dimensionals? We can use there's some dimensionals right there.
Thank you.
Oh, which dimensional do you want? I like the idea of the dimensional. That was a great idea. Choose a dimensional. You know why? Because we're gonna put some other things on here. Let's see what happened to that giant seahorse we were gonna do.
It's in there.
All right. So we still got this in the kit. So we got some leftover stuff here.
Hey, did you do this?
I did. I put it on there with a dimensional, and we're gonna put a seahorse. All right. Let's go back and see.
I was going to do a dimensional.
Okay. Well, I tell you what. How about I let you do some stamping?
Yeah. I love stamping.
All right. So see this right here that looks like bubbles. We're actually going to sit up here and stamp the star right here, the starfish. Yep. So if you want to stamp that.
What's the bubbles?
Yes.
Okay.
Because you know starfish. If you ever saw a starfish in real person, you would see they have looks like bumps on them, just little bumps. It's just who they are.
Stamp it all over?
If you want to, that's up to you. That's one thing about when you create, you can do any way you want.
Yeah, And also, I do really fancy drawings, and I'm a professional drawer.
Oh, wow. I did not know that. I learn something new about you all the time. So we're going to end up sticking this in here.
Sometimes I draw really fancy pictures. If I watch drawing tutorials.
Oh, drawing tutorials for your age?
I only watch drawing tutorials to draw fancy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but I'm still a drawing professional.
You're still a drawing professional. You're still an artist, right?
An artist.
An artist. So it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, you can go to my artist channel and...
You have an artist channel?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I did not know that. What is it?
It's called Art Sophia.
Art Sophia. Ooh, look at you.
If you've never seen Art Sophia before, go check it out after this video, because tomorrow I'm gonna make my first channel of it.
Oh, wow. Well, now we're in the know. So anybody that's watching this video is in the know that you are creating your own art channel. All right, so we're just going to tuck this in here.
You can create any channel you want.
That's true.
If you're old enough, you can also, if you're old enough and you're my friend not Adley. Adley is the one I love to watch videos, but she's not my best friend because I never met her before. But
oh, wow.
I have a friend named Allie, and that's close to Adley.
All right. Well, how about if you want to stamp this bottle here, you want me to stamp it? All right. Then you can take that, and if you'll stamp that letter right there in the bottle, in the center of the bottle. How do you do it? Okay. Well, we already inked it up, and we just have to tap 3 times, right? 3 times. And then we're just going to take it right there, and we're just going to stamp it. That's right.
And also, you can go on my channel tomorrow, because tomorrow is my first channel, and you know who's going to be there?
Who?
You.
Me? Oh, you're inviting me to be a guest of your channel on your first day? Wow. Well, thank you. That's an honor.
I don't know how it's going to go, but
you don't?
It's probably going to go good.
Well, of course it's going to go good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You must go on her channel.
Uh-oh. They got to go on my channel to get to your channel?
No, they got to go on my channel to get to your channel sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. All right. So see here, our tag is very long. If we can trim it, right?
This video, you will know I'm sending out some couple videos. I have makeup tutorials and stuff.
Oh my gosh. Do you have any tutorials about your baby dolls?
I don't have any baby dolls anymore.
You don't have any? Oh, you don't?
Yeah.
Okay.
So sad.
So sad.
Yeah, I'm going to have to have some of yours.
You're going to have some of my baby dolls? Oh my gosh, and I got princess baby dolls. I'm just going to put this down here. Even though it's a little long, we got this tilted, so I'm going to tilt this as well too.
Yeah, I don't have any baby dolls for the diapers you gave me.
After you pestered me for making all those diapers and you have no baby dolls?
I'm sorry, but I can't find any.
Uh-oh.
Can you please give me some?
So I need to give you some baby dolls?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Please.
It sounds like that's what I'm going to end up doing since I made baby doll diapers.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for mine.
You're the one who made them.
I did. Oops, hold on.
Oh.
Don't rearrange our page for us.
Please not.
Yep, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape down here.
And next week, she's going to load a new video.
I will.
Next week.
All right. You know what? I don't have my tape runner going. Let me make sure I don't have tape.
And don't throw it.
Where do you get these things? You are so funny.
I have a joke. Why did the kidnapper kidnap some kids? Because he needed some kids.
Wow, where'd you get that from? All right. This is the last thing we have. This is the last thing we have to put on here.
Last thing we have.
And we're just going to...
Is that the last card?
No, it's not the last card, but it says this is the alternative we're doing today. So I'm just putting the seahorse. Have you ever seen... So when we go to different places and you see seahorses, you'll see their tails are wrapped around seaweed or...
Yeah, so they don't
float away. That's right. They're anchored in spot, but they just sort of float with the ocean.
They're the anchors.
That's right. So I'm actually just wrapping...
This is the last card of the night.
It is. This is the last card we're doing for right now. But see here, looky there. I took and wrapped the tail around there.
Do you think we should add some shimmers to it?
Oh, you want us to add some Wink of Stella? Here, I will let you do the honors of adding some Wink of Stella. All right, so you got to show them. So you can't cover it. You got to be able to show them what you're doing. If you're going to go live, yep, you can't put your face over it. There you go. So you can put Wink of Stella all over that if you want.
I actually call it pixie dust.
Or fairy dust. I call it fairy dust sometimes too, don't I? So are you going to put any in the water itself or around the...
in the water itself.
In the water itself? Okay. All right, so you're just going to give everything a nice little shimmer.
Because water is shimmery.
Yeah, water is very shimmery in it. Okay, there you go. All right, sparkles everywhere.
You can never go wrong with sparkles.
You can never go wrong with sparkles. That's a fact.
Seahorse too.
Seahorse too. All right, so everything's just going to have a little sparkle.
You don't have to do the same thing we're doing. We're just making a card tutorial, right?
Yeah, we're just showing them an alternative from the kit, right?
Yep.
So this is just an alternative from Ascending Good Thoughts, the July paper pumpkin. Because our August paper pumpkin we won't do until the last Sunday in August, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're done? So everybody can see the card. Here's the cat that you're looking for is right. What did you do with it? We'll find it in just a minute. How about we wrap this up? Yeah. And that way, oh, here you go. We'll wrap this up. And that way, if you want to do a See Me Sophia, we'll do a See Me Sophia. How about that?
Teach Me Sophia.
Teach Me Sophia. All right.
You're going to have
ready?
to put up a sign now.
Okay, well, here we go. Just a minute. We're going to say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
And just a second. We got to get up here. You're so funny. All right. Here we are. Teach Me Nana. As you can see, we made another alternative. It's very fun. We had Sophia here to help out.
Yep.
And you got to hear all the different things that she had to say and add to it, so which is important, right? Because we're creating together, because it's all about creating, right?
Yep.
Sharing. We shared a lot of stories there. You plan on going live tomorrow. Wow. I got to learn something new.
Yep.
Right? And it's all about also giving, so give someone a card.
Yes.
That's
and, giving and Thanksgiving, and you should also give on Christmas, so you will be good and never go on the naughty list, or else you'll get coal for Christmas.
Oh, definitely don't want that. Christmas is getting too close now to be even to do that.
Unless you want coal to grow.
Oh, all right. With that, be blessed and go out there, create, share, and give. And we'll see you next week on Teach Me Nana. Bye.